What else can we do with it? Well, let's take a look at animations. So I'm going to go to my animations tab, and I'm going to pick a fly-in animation. I'll go to my effect options, and I'll say I want them to come in from the left, and I want them to come in one by one. There we go. But did you notice the icons were animated separately from the shapes? They're not grouped together, in other words, and then that group is animated as one object. And we can see that better if we open up our animation pane and we expand our list. We'll click our little chevron here to expand the animation for our SmartArt. And we can say that, and we can see that the main item for each of these is a click animation. You have to click to bring it in, but its partner, its associated item, is set as a with previous set trigger, I should say, with previous trigger. In this particular SmartArt, the shape is the item that is animated on click. I'm sorry, the icon is the item that's animated on click. And then the shape, in this case, address issues, is the with previous that animates as soon as the icon is animated. Knowing that they are actually animated as separate objects, however, means that we don't have to have the same animation for the icon as we do for the shape that goes with it. So in other words, I can make sure I've selected my first icon, and instead of a fly-in effect, I can change that one to maybe a swivel effect. And that's a little bit too long, so I'll just shorten that up to about a half a second. And then I'll do the same for the other two. So now I'll click on the first one and preview them all with my play from button here in my animation pane. It's a little bit quick, isn't it? So what we'll do is we'll increase the animation time for each of them. And the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change it from with previous and no delay to a little bit of a delay, because honestly, I don't want it to animate really until the swivel is basically done. So I'm going to just push that forward so it's going to animate after the swivel. And there we have it.